Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to register Direct Express account on PC. Direct Express is a prepaid debit card program. The Direct Express account can only be registered through US citizens. To register Direct Express account on PC, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.usdirectexpress.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Direct Express. Now here you can see two debit cards on the downside. You need to select the card in which your starting number of your card matches. Click on the given circle so that you will be able to select your card. Then click on proceed to login option. With this, you will be taken to login page. Now, here you can see register for an account option on the down of the login box on the right side. Click on register for an account. Now, here to register, you need to first enter your card information. You need to enter the last 4 digits of the card number on the given box. Then you need to enter your CVV on the given box. After this, enter your expiration date of your card on the given box. With this, enter your social security number. After this, click on next option. Then you need to create your ID. For that, you need to create your username and then you need to create your password and confirm your password. After this, you need to review all the informations. After reviewing the information, then you need to verify your account. For that, you need to enter your email address and your phone number. And then you'll get a code on your email address or your phone number. You need to enter the given code. After this, you'll be able to verify your account. With this, you'll be able to create your Direct Express account. This is how to register Direct Express account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.